Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Should you be using Notion as a personal productivity tool in 2026? Today I'm going to show you why. And now the big question. So, should you use Notion for your personal productivity in 2026? And I know people's lives get busy. So, even though you don't have maybe a busy job, for me, I work from home and there's many things that I try and manage. I'm always looking for new opportunities. So this is something that I need to be able to manage. And if I can't put something down in pen and paper or, at least on a little board, then I forget about it. So I'm going to show you how you can discover why Notion is revolutionizing personal productivity and whether it's the right choice for your workflow in the new year. So the first thing is it's an all-in-one digital workspace. So this means you can manage tasks, notes, projects, and goals. And this is all from one customizable dashboard. There's no more app hopping between scattered tools, and that really bugs me. So having everything in one space is really awesome. You can build your personal knowledge hub with advanced templates like the Notion Second Brain 3.5. You can also organize everything from ideas to resources effortlessly. Also, you can use their smart templates that auto-generate routines, task priorities, and progress tracking to keep you focused and consistent throughout your day. And then you get access to your workspace on any device with full support for light dark modes, ensuring productivity anytime, anywhere as you need it. I sometimes travel, so I need my mobile device and I need to be able to be active on wherever I'm organizing. So this is a great option for me. Also, you get to join a massive community of more than 350,000 users benefiting from expert-designed templates, tutorials, and active Q&A channels to also maximize your Notion experience. Now, take into consideration that Notion is a huge app and there's tons of things that you can do. So you will not be learning how to use Notion in one single day. But however, you can simplify your life with Notion's all-in-one system. It's trusted by thousands worldwide. You can build your digital brain in minutes and you can free your mind because once those thoughts exit, you put them down, you can keep them there. You don't have to keep on trying to remember. And then you can start today with customizable template designs for real results and lasting focus. Your productivity revolution begins right now with one single click. The question is, are you ready?